we are showcasing all voestalpine solutions which is offered to tooling industry, which starts from the raw material. We are having a raw material which is a very special and working as a solution to the industry. Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh Jagdale. I am a Chief Sales Manager in voestalpine High Performance Metals India Private Limited. We are here at the Tooling Expo 2025 in Pune. So voestalpine is a global leading steel manufacturing and technology company. This is situated in 150 countries. They have a manufacturing units in 7 countries. In different locations or countries, we have our service centers or our warehouses where we stock the material and supply as per the customer needs. We see the India is a growing country. With this growth, we are also expecting growth with voestalpine, where we are focusing on improving our services, especially in the additive manufacturing. With our powders and additive manufacturing solutions, we see a growth.